Yankton's a really fun town in the summer. There is so much to do. It probably starts with the river. It might end with places like Charlie's Pizza or a stroll downtown. You have no excuse to not have fun in this town. I'm Ben Hanten. I'm the president here at Ben's Brewing Company. Yankton's a small town that thinks a little bigger. Yankton really has become a town for the arts. There's the Meridian District Mural Project now that's taking over downtown. There's concerts that happen down there. There's splash pads, there's bikers, walkers, all kinds of people. That's a pretty unique experience.
Something that people are naturally attracted to is the water. Kind of a breath of fresh air. Every time you go out there, it's like a reset button. My name's Aaron Reeby. I'm married to my beautiful wife, Brittany.
My husband and I both really enjoy the outdoors. Biking or hiking or go out on the river. You can always find a little spot to get away from the crowd.
I think there's just so much to experience that's different in South Dakota.
Whether it's the Black Hills or the Badlands or Lewis and Clark Lake, a completely unique experience to this area.
When people come here, they just seem to be so surprised by how welcoming the community is.
Breweries, we have great restaurants, we have lots of places for families, places for adults, places for just about anyone.
I love vacationing in South Dakota because I can just get in the car and go. It's so cool, so unique. I can experience a lot in a day without having to be congested in traffic.
South Dakota has so much to offer.
Come see it for yourself.